How are you doing? You're once again welcome to my YouTube channel, and my name is Henry. And in today's video I want to show you guys how you can be able to create a blog. Yesterday we were on how to create a club, and then today I wanted to go to creating a podcast. But then if you look at this place, if you come to Onet, you will discover that on that line we have the blogs before the podcast. So it is good for us to do the the blogs before we move to the podcast. So if you log into Onet rather, if you log into Onet, you will discover that we have those commands line here. Let me show them to you. The first one is the post, which we'll discuss about it in a video. And yesterday we made a video about a club, and then in today's video we want to talk about a blog, how to create a blog on Onet now. But before we go ahead, guys, I would like to advise that you like and subscribe to this YouTube channel, and also give comments, share it to your team members and your affiliates so to educate them on how they can go about with this business. So you're welcome. Now let's go back and see how we can be able to do that. So you first of all need to log into OConnect, just as I've logged mine. And in case you don't know how to log in, you can watch one of the videos. It will show you how to do that. So once you log into the OConnect, what you need to do is you come to this place and then you click on this place. This is where you can find blog. That icon, as you see, it's representing the blogs. So you click on these blogs and then you give it time to wait. Now when it opens up, you will have something like this. Let me carry this up, put somewhere there or chat. So once you're here, the first thing you need to do is for you to choose a picture for the blog you want to create. And then the next thing you need to do is to choose the title of the the blog you need to create in that place, and then followed by what you want to say. You're talking about a particular thing, so you just type whatsoever you want to type in that area. And when you do that, you come to this place and you choose whether you should save what you have done. You will choose whether you should save what you have done as a draft, or maybe you should go ahead and then publish it. And then I am talking about publishing it, so this is where the one we're going to be dealing with. Now when you come to this place, first of all, let's go to this place and let's go to the beginning, and I will show you how you can do about that. So I'm going to start from the video, from the picture that describes what I'm doing. So I will click to this place and it will take me to my pictures, and I will select the picture I want. Here is the picture I want for that. So you see, I'm going to talk about verified by Visa. This is what I want to talk about. Somebody has posted this onto the group, and I want to bring it to this place to show you guys how these beautiful ideas you can turn them into blogs, and people will read them and will actually like them. If you have been current on our website recently, you will discover the various payment methods that have been listed on our ecosystem, and this is one of them. And somebody decided to speak about this on the group to enlighten others, and I've just wanted to pick this up to show you. So the title of what I'm talking about is verified by Visa. So I am going to put it here. Let me type in capitals: verified by Visa. Okay, verified by Visa. So this is the topic of what I want. Now the next is the body of what I want. Now when you come to this place, I want to show you something in this place that is very important. We have the type of lettering, how you want your write-up to be. If you look at this, let me point out, The first thing you see in this place, you see the capital B. Okay, I want to do that very well. Okay, look at this capital B. The meaning of that capital B means is bold. Maybe a particular part of your write-up that excuse me, you want to board it up. You can click, you can highlight it and click on that place and it will be boarded up. Or maybe a particular portion of your write-up you want to utilize it, you can do that. Or maybe you want the underline, you can be able to do that in this place. So when you come to this place, you have opportunity to put your letters. Now maybe you are typing a mathematical expressions and then you have to put something as the subscript, or you want to put something as the part. You can see the X there having 2 as a subscript, and we're having X another 2 superscript, and then you come to the next one here, this A, as you can see here. You click on it and let's see. So when you click on this, it shows you the type of alphabets you want to use. What are the type of alphabets you want to use as you are typing the body of your write-up? What alphabet do you want to use? Somebody might want to use Verdenan, somebody may want to use Tahoman, and you just look for the one that maybe suit you. So I want to use Verdenan, so I'm going to click on that. So the next one, you come to this place. If you look at this place, you now see this talks about your size of letters, how you want the size of the letters to be. So this is something you can actually set even before you can commence your write-up. So I'm going to click on that. So I'm going to select, maybe I want the size, the current size is 14. So maybe I want the size of my my alphabets to be maybe 24. So I'm just going to click on 24. Once I click on that, so the next thing I need to do, guys, is to come to this place and then write what I want to be. In this case, I've copied, so I'm going to paste so that will not waste our time. Okay, that's all right. So this, good, guys, this has been pasted. Look at the way it is looking now. This does not really carry the alphabet I want, so what I'm going to do in this case is to just select all of that, my write-up. So once I select that, I am going to click, and on the size of the letters I want is 24. So you can see that it has now changed, but seeing that this is too big, I will try to adjust it a little bit. So I'm going to click once more, and then I will put it at 18. Now I love the way it looks now, guys. So you come to this place and then you have the opportunity to check. We have done about the typing, and then we'll come down to this place. At this point in time, I'm going to click on the last button in this place that says published, and my blog is publishing already. Okay, they said blog successfully published. So we now have a blog. So isn't publish a blog your way? So we're going to, there is something they said in that place, but we're going to check what happened. So let's go back and look at it, and I'm going to click on my blogs. I'm going to click on my blogs. Okay, okay, guys, coming to my blogs, you can see what I've published in this place. You can see it written in this place. So you see the video, the picture that I selected that time, verified by Visa. You can see it, and then you will see the write-up. They said created by Sandcliffs, and then the topic is written there, verified by Visa, as you can see. And now you have opportunity to read more about this. You can click on read more here. Let me point it out, it's very important. So whenever you see a blog on the ecosystem and you want to read more of that, you come to this place and you click on read more. So this will just give you a brief recap of what that is talking about. So I'm going to click on this. Okay, I'm going to click on read more. I don't know, somehow it is showing me. Okay, right, guys, this, as you are seeing, those things are not going to be like this forever. They are certainly going to change over time. So let me look at it. Okay, guys, what you actually need to do in order to see more of this blog is just to click on the picture, and then you give it time to process and open up. So it has opened up, and as you can see, you can be able to read about this. Now they say verified by Visa is a security feature that adds an extra layer of the protection to your online Visa transactions. When you shop online at a merchant that supports the VB, the verified by Visa, you will be asked to enter a unique code that blah 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 blah. So actually, guys, this is how you can be able to create a blog, and then other people too will follow. So this, you can see, if you come down at the end of this, you said credit the person that actually wrote this. The person's information is put down here, and as you can see below here, people have already started reacting about the blog that I've created. You can see in this place talking about the likes. About so far 3 people have liked the blog so far. So this is what you can do. You can see their reactions and all of that. So it is very important that some of the ideas we have, they are very good, that we put them into writing as in the form of a blog, and then people will like them. And I want to let you know that with time, writing such things will have their own reward on the ecosystem. I believe we are getting to that level. We are just starting, but I believe things are going to get to that level. So it is very good that we turn the information we have into creative writing, so that we can be able to create good things with them on the internet, under the ecosystem. So thank you so much for watching to the end, guys. And once again, I'd like to encourage you to, please, if you like what we are doing here, encourage us by subscribing to this YouTube channel, like it, and also share it with others, and make them like, and as well give good comments, so that it will encourage us to do more about this. Thank you so much, and have a great day.